Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start the dua for knowledge, and inshallah in this class we will learn Quranic invocation for knowledge, like dua for increasing your knowledge. So we start now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi, Ra connect with the ba with a strong voice, and Ra read in heavy sound. Rabbi, and ba has a kasra, which is you can see under the shad. If under the shad signs come, that meaning that signs basically come under the letter. That's why we say Rabbi, Rabbi Zidni, Zidni. We make qalqala on the dal, and then we long noon here due to ya madda. Ya is coming with sukoon sign, and there is kasra before the ya. That's why we long here. Zidni, Zidni ilma. Because we are stopping here, that's why we read one fatha on the mim. Ilma. I repeat it. Rabbi Zidni ilma. 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 So this is dua for increasing your knowledge. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new dua. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.